Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Review Zone. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Lexus RZ300e, a sleek and sophisticated electric SUV that's redefining luxury and performance. If you're considering making the switch to an electric vehicle or simply want to know more about this exciting new model, stay tuned. The 2025 Lexus RZ300e boasts a striking and modern design that reflects its cutting-edge technology. Its bold front grille has been redesigned with an aerodynamic flair, while the sleek LED headlights give it a futuristic edge. The vehicle's streamlined profile not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also improves aerodynamic efficiency, contributing to its impressive range. Step inside the RZ300e and you're greeted with a refined and spacious cabin. The interior features high-quality materials and a minimalist design. The centerpiece is the 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The RZ300e also offers customizable ambient lighting, premium leather upholstery, and a panoramic sunroof, ensuring a luxurious and comfortable driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 RZ300e is powered by a robust electric drivetrain that delivers instant torque and smooth acceleration. With its dual-motor all-wheel drive system, it offers a dynamic driving experience with precise handling and stability. The RZ300e is equipped with a 71.4 kWh battery that provides a range of up to 250 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for both daily commutes and longer road trips. Lexus has packed the RZ300e with advanced technology to enhance both convenience and safety. Key features include: one of the standout features of the RZ300e is its rapid charging capability. The vehicle supports DC fast charging, which allows you to charge from 10% to 80% in approximately 30 minutes. For home charging, the RZ300e comes with a standard Level 2 charger that can fully charge the battery overnight. The 2025 Lexus RZ300e starts at approximately $55,000. It's available for pre-order now, with deliveries expected to begin in early 2025. Be sure to contact your local Lexus dealer for the most accurate pricing and availability. The 2025 Lexus RZ300e is a remarkable addition to the electric vehicle market, blending luxury, performance, and advanced technology into one compelling package. Whether you're drawn to its elegant design, cutting-edge features, or its eco-friendly powertrain, the RZ300e is set to make a significant impact. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest automotive news and reviews. See you in the next video.